In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make study flashcards in Notion. We're going to walk through a simple way to set up flashcards using a pre-made template from the Notion marketplace. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use flashcard system you can customize for any subject you're studying. First, open Notion on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your workspace so any changes you make will be saved. At the top or side of your screen, look for the option that says Marketplace. This is where Notion keeps templates and tools created both by Notion and the community. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. It might open in a new tab or window, and that's completely normal. Once the Marketplace loads, you'll see a search bar. This is where you can look for specific templates. Click into the search bar and type the words Study Flashcard. Take a moment to double check your spelling so the right results appear. After typing it in, press Enter, or wait a second for the results to load. You should now see a list of templates related to studying and flashcards. Look for the template that's specifically named something like Study Flashcards. This template is designed to help you create digital flashcards inside Notion, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. When you've found it, click on the template card to open its details page. On the details page, you'll see a description of the template, maybe some screenshots, and information about how it works. This is a good moment to quickly scan the page so you understand what you're about to add to your workspace. When you're ready, look for the button that says Add. This button will usually be near the top right or somewhere clearly visible on the page. Click on Add. Notion will then copy this flashcard template into your own workspace. It may ask you which workspace or which page you want to add it to, especially if you're part of multiple workspaces. Just choose the one where you plan to store your study materials. After it's added, open the template from your sidebar. From here, you can start editing the example flashcards, changing the questions and answers to match your own subjects, like language vocab, formulas, or key concepts. That's all it takes to get a functional flashcard system running in Notion.